Hi, I'm Zareen Ahmed and I'm the founder and CEO of Gift Wellness. Thanks so much for checking out our products. I want to tell you a little bit more about our Gift Daily Pantyliners, which everybody loves. Let me tell you why. So as you can see, they come in a cute paper box, and there's quite a lot of information on the boxes, a bit about our charity. For every pack we sell, we donate pads to women in crisis. A lot of information on the back, which is very useful to know, that they are hypoallergenic, they're 100% free of dust, chlorine, parabens, harmful chemicals. They're made with natural materials, they're breathable, luxuriously soft. They're great for if you work out or if you're quite active, because they're friction free, they don't rub and make you sore or anything. So yeah, there's a lot of information on there. When you open the box, you'll see that there are 30 panty-liners in each pack, and each panty-liner is sealed in its own wrapper. And if I just remove the wrapper, which can be used obviously to throw them away in as well, you'll see at the back that there is the strip that you remove so that you can stick it to your underwear, and it doesn't go anywhere. It sticks really well. They're really slim, and they're I wish you could feel them because they're so luxuriously soft. And the top layer is perforated, so any discharge or anything is absorbed immediately, and so you feel dry and fresh while you're wearing them. That green layer there is made from Tourmaline. Now this is the special sort of magic ingredient which is in all of our pads, and Tourmaline is a semi-precious mineral which is pulverized and made into a resin and rolled into a fabric and inserted basically. And what Tourmaline does is it naturally emits negative ions and far infrared ray, which sounds really scientific. It is actually scientific. It's used in many products like air filtration units and hair products and mattresses and all sorts of things. But in this, you see, if it's antibacterial, that means it kills the bacteria that causes smells and other things. So you just feel a lot fresher. In fact, the only scent that you have from these is the herbal essences, the actual pure extract. There's no artificial perfume in these at all. The pure extract is from mint and menthol, tiny amount, which just gives it a little cooling effect, and it's also anti-inflammatory. So yeah, they're really lovely, and this is why women love them. So do give them a try. I'd love to hear from you about how you're finding them, and thanks again for checking them out. I look forward to hearing from you.